Greetings. Welcome you all to the world of data science. So, in the world of data science, it does mean that we are converting a raw data to an actionable insight. So, raw data is the data collected from any real world entity. It can be a human or it can be an object. Some information is extracted from those entities, and we are going to convert it into visualize those output. So, I welcome you all to this wonderful journey for data driven in decision making. So, so what exactly is data sciences? So it is a multidisciplinary information which can be collected from any part of the implementation process or any part of the technological process, or it can be from any domain expertise. It can be an computer science oriented or biological oriented or manufacturing or production or anything of our choice, any domain or any industrial expertise. So in case of data science, it is a combination of computer science and domain conceptual knowledge should be there. And also we should have some basic concepts on mathematics and statistics, which plays a backbone to the data science implementation. So in case of data science, it gets inspired from structured and unstructured data. Using scientific methods, we are going to extract the information and we are going to present in a convenient way so that the end user can be get insights or visualize the data. So for performing this structured or unstructured data using scientific methods, we can also implement algorithms, processes, and systems. So these are all the key insights which will be utilized in case of data sciences. Next, in case of key components of data science, it indicates the how many number of phases we have to implement to convert from raw data to an useful insights, conceptual insights. So there are 6 major phases. It starts with data collection. Second phase is data cleaning, data analysis, and proceeding with data visualization, machine learning, and model deployment. So in case of data collection, we are going on with gathering data from diverse sources. It can be a data set. It can be the data set can be of image, or data set can be of textual data set or video data set, anything of your choice, or it can be from sensor networks too, or IoT devices as we utilize for any agricultural domain or educational sector or sports, anything of our choice. So we are getting some information and we have to, after collecting the information, we have to check whether the data is accurate or data is having any discrepancies. Discrepancies in terms of missing values or any data does any row or column or tuple does not have proper or improper or very varied values. So we does the process of data cleaning to make to normalize the data so that we can get exact and expected result. Next is the process of third phase is data analysis. So in case of data analysis, we have to perform statistical methods and implement some algorithms uh, depending upon the requirement of the data to be visualized, and we have to uncover hidden patterns, correlations, and also we have to identify what are all the insights we can obtain from the data. After the analysis is done, there should be some output, and those outputs we give the output in terms of visualized format, like some graphs, charts, likewise. So plots or radar plot or scatter plot or something line graph. Likewise, we have to provide so that the end user or the any person with minimized conceptual knowledge can understand the concepts. Next is the machine learning. In case of machine learning, we have to develop and training. We have to perform developing and training to give an effective predictive models. So where does the predictive model comes? In case of sports, whichever may be the sport we are going to implement, we are able to analyze the previous work of a particular player, and if he is playing in this speed, what will be the output we can get, and we also have the option of whether we can, whether the team can win or not. Everything can be for predicted. And in case of simple things, we can say weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is we are utilizing in day-to-day life and in our mobile applications. How this weather forecasting is done? The data is collected from earlier stages or trained with certain models, neural network models or fuzzy models. After training, it is tested and then it is given as an application in our mobile phone. So using that particular application, we are able to predict 1 week or 10 days or after how many days it will get trained, and hence we can plan our travel plan. So similarly, next to the machine learning phase, we are having a model deployment. So in case of model deployment, in the previous case of weather forecast, we are analyzing the data, we are giving weather forecast, and in case of prediction, we are going on for implementing it as a mobile application. So that is the deployment of the model. It is a lightweight model so that it can be accommodated in case of mobile phone and it can give exact results as it of the when we check in case of laptop or PCs. So these are the key components in case of data sciences. Next, what is the differentiation between data science, data analytics, and machine learning? These are the three major key roles. So first one focuses on end-to-end data life cycle. So only focus on data science focuses on data life cycle, and data analytics will incorporate the past performance. And in case of machine learning, it takes care of what algorithm it can implement to learn much more data from the much more knowledge from the data provided. Next goal. So of these three includes first, in case of first one, it is insights, prediction, and automation. Next one, analytics, it provides only insights and reporting, whereas in case of third, it uh, includes prediction and pattern recognition. So techniques implemented is in case of data science, we will be using ML, machine learning models, some statistics and data engineering concepts, some mathematical models will be implemented. Whereas in case of analytics, we are going on for statistics, visualization, and dashboards. So best example is Power BI is the best example for data visualization. And last, in case of algorithms, models on training data, we are going on for implementation with the help of or with the support of some programming languages like NumPy, like Python, R, or any other programming languages. So the tools used will be for data science, Python, R, Spark, TensorFlow, and TensorFlow comes as some separate packages. And in case of data analytics, we are going on with Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. And last, in case of machine learning, we are going on with skit learning, PyTorch, Keras. These are nothing but libraries which will be utilized in Python itself. Next one is essential tools. So in case of essential tools for data scientists, we have to focus on programming, data handling, visualization, ML, AI, and big data deployment processes. So these are all the six wider range of programming languages this particular data science should be aware of and should be equipped by himself or herself. So the detailed description on data scientists will be focused in the next presentation. Thank you.